Ready to take your golf cart from the greens to the California streets? Today, we're transforming your ride into a street-legal cruiser, ready for every adventure. Join us as we embark on the legal journey to take your golf cart to the streets, ensuring it meets California's street-legal standards. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Check out our channel to find videos on topics that may be relevant to you. Let's get into the video. Understanding the basics. Transforming your golf cart into a low-speed vehicle, LSV, means meeting specific speed and safety requirements. Let's break down what you need to know. First up, safety modifications. From securing seatbelts to lighting the way with headlights and taillights, each step brings your cart closer to street legality. First off, let's install the seatbelts. After that, installing a windshield gets your cart closer to street legality. Do not overlook headlights and taillights, as well as a vehicle identification number. These are paramount requirements if you must make your golf cart street legal in California. Registration and licensing. Next, you'll have to navigate the DMV process. From paperwork to inspection, you'll need to officially register your golf cart as a street legal vehicle before you can hit the streets. Insurance and safety. Insurance isn't just a checkbox, it's your safety net. Diligently explore insurance options to ensure you and your golf cart are fully protected on your journeys. Driving tips and restrictions. With legality comes responsibility. Find out where and how you can enjoy your golf cart while ensuring you adhere to local laws and respect the safety of all road users. There you have it. A complete guide to hitting the California streets in your golf cart legally and safely. If you're ready to embark on this adventure, hit like, share, and subscribe for more guides. Stay safe and enjoy the ride.